Okay, so today I'm going to try and fly my little mini wing over here, my bonsai wing. This thing's been through many battles and accidents and it's still alive. It's got the Naze32 board on there and a FPV transmitter and a little camera. But today, usually I record all of this on my base station over here, but of course the quality isn't that great. So today I'm going to try and stick the little Mobius camera on top here. This plane is just so small, you know, it's really not meant for carrying any weight. It's great for FPV though, so a flight might be a little bit hard to handle with this Mobius on. I mean, it's just not meant for weight like that. But let's see, and I'll fly it with my Fat Shark, and we'll see how it looks through the Mobius and through the base station recording. Thank you. Okay.
The camera's right there, though.
I knew it would just be right here. It's not gonna